I don't know how it got to the point where 2 people got murdered.
Say that again?
I don't know how it got to the point where 2 people got murdered.
Defendant Michael Burnett accepted a plea deal, telling the judge he did not shoot Michael Rourke or his girlfriend. He acknowledged being a member of a group called FEAR, Forever Enduring, Always Ready.
What were the goals of the FEAR group?
To give the government back to the people.
So you talked about revolution.
Yeah. Patriotism.
Investigators further learned victim Michael Rourke had only days before his murder been discharged from the Army.
Assistant DA for the Atlantic Judicial District, Isabel Pauley, said militia members thought Rourke was a loose end who knew too much about their plans, which ultimately included national and local acts of terrorism.
Acts of domestic terror included forcibly taking over the ammo control point at Fort Stewart to take the post, bombing vehicles of local and state judicial and political figureheads, and federal representatives, to include the local Department of Homeland Security. Members also plotted to bomb the fountain in Forsyth Park in Savannah.
Pauley said after the 4 soldiers were arrested last year, the investigation began to focus on Isaac Agigi.
Defendant Agigi formed and organized an anarchist group and militia. All members of the group were active duty military or former military. The total number of members remains unknown.
In making his deal, Burnett told authorities Agigi had communicated with militia members in several other states. Authorities also said the soldiers purchased thousands of dollars worth of weapons, and that up to $32,000 may have come from a life insurance policy on Agigi's wife, who died under mysterious circumstances.
Who shot me short?
Burnett said he tried to talk the others out of the murders, but he went along that night.
He reached in and checked her pulse and then shot her again.
And then what happened?
Family members were left with the brutal recognition that men who had vowed to serve and protect killed a 17-year-old girl and her ex-soldier boyfriend. Burnett now promising to testify against those he once plotted with to overthrow the government.